Hello, students. A very good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are very fine. So, let's start today's lesson. Today's lesson is about comparing numbers. Comparing numbers, first we have to learn some signs. First one is greater than, next one is less than, and third one is equals to. You have to learn these signs very carefully and you have to know their meaning, where they are used. First one is greater number and smaller number. The sharp edge will be the sharp edge will be placed just before the smaller number and the open space will be placed after the greater number, and the same thing but in opposite way, where we use less than sign. Here smaller number will be placed first, then the greater number, and equals to means when two numbers are equal. Now we will find out how to compare the numbers. Next, when we compare two numbers, I have taken first example. First one is 6412 and next one is 986. First number we can recognize very easily, it is a 4-digit number, and next one is 986, it is a 3-digit number. So as usual is very usually we can recognize and we can find out that 4-digit numbers are greater than 3-digit numbers. So easily we can write that 6412 is greater than 986. Next, for example 2, or I have taken two numbers. First one is 5113 and next one is 4625. If we put the number in the segment of thousand, hundred, tens and ones, then we can find out that in the segment of thousand, 5 is greater than 4. That means 5000 is greater than 4000. So we don't need to check the last three number, that means in the segment of 100, tens and ones, because at the first segment, in the segment of thousands, we can easily find out that 5000 are greater than 4000. So easily we can write that 5113 is greater than 4625. Next, example number 3. Here we can see that 7359 and 7428. So as usual I have put this number in the segment of thousand, hundred, tens and ones. So you can find out that in the segment of thousand both are 7, so they are equal, but now we have to move on the segment of 100. So we can find out there are 3000 in the first number, and in the second number there is 400. So 7359 and 7428. So here 300 is less than 400. So in which number there is 300, this number is smaller number than the which number it has 400. So we can conclude that 7359 is less than 7428. Next, example number 4. We have seen that there is 9728 and 9706. So as usual I have put this number in the thousand, hundred, tens and ones. So if we consider as 1000 segments, both are 9, so we have to move on second in the 100 segment, number 7, 7, they're same. So next segment, 10 segments, there is 2 and there is 0. So 20 is greater than 0. Why is 20? 20 means in the segment of tens is 2. So we can understand, so in the 10 segment 2 means it is 20 and 0 means it is none. So 20 is greater than 0. As a result, I can write that 9728 is greater than 9706. This is the last example of comparing the digits or comparing the numbers. Here you can see that I have taken two numbers. First number is 5968 and next one is 5966. So as usual, I have put the numbers in the segments of thousand, hundred, tens, ones. First one, both are 5000. Next one, both are 900. And in the 10 segments also, they are same. So what can I do? We have to move on. That's the last our hope. One segment. One segment we can find out that one is 8 and another number has 6. So we can easily write that 8 is greater than 6. So which segment has 8 or which number has 8? It will be greater number and another one is will be smaller number. So 5968 is greater than 5966. Now we will find out the biggest and smallest number. Here there is no comparison between two numbers. Here we comparison more than two numbers. So here we have to find out which number is smallest and which number is biggest. So let's start with first example. You can see that first example is 2489, 789 and 2588. So as usual, we have to put the numbers in the segment of these four, like thousand, hundred, tens and ones. So first, what we have to do after the putting of this number in the segments, we can easily find out that there is one smallest number. How? Because 789 is only a single number. This is a 3-digit and another two numbers, they are 4-digit. So easily we can say that 7809 smallest 3-digit number in this segment. And next one, we have to comparison between 2489 and 2588. So both are 1000. So we have to move on the second segment of 100. So we can see that first number 2400 and the third one 2500. So from here we can say that 500 is greater than 400. So which number has 500? It will be greater than this number which has 400. So we can say that 2588 is greater than 2489. So 2588 is the greatest number among all these three numbers. Next example and last example for this lesson, and listen and watch this video very carefully because it is a very important part of this lesson. So first you can see that I have taken three numbers. We have to again comparison and again we have to compare between these three numbers. First 2568 and next one is 2680 and next 2658. So first I have put all this number in these segments. Next we get that there is one number 2500 and next these two numbers have 2600 both. So we can easily find out that this 500 is smaller than 600. So this number which has 500, this is the smallest number among these three numbers. Next we will compare between these two numbers which are left, 2680 and 2658. So if we compare between the 8, that means which is the tens place, that means 80, and in the tens place next number it has 5, so it is 80 and it is 50. So we can easily say that 80 is smaller than 80 is greater than 50. So we can easily write that 2680 is greater than 2658. So, as an answer, 2680 is the greatest number. So, answer of this question is 2568 is the smallest number and 2680 is the greatest number. So, students, for today up to this section will be done, and again we will meet tomorrow. So, read the book very carefully and listen the video and practice the example whatever I have given through this video, and have a nice day.